I extend my warm greetings on the eve of Independence Day. We got freedom on this day in the year 1947 after years of struggle and sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Now every citizen has complete freedom to grow, prosper, and fulfill his ambition without any fear and discrimination. However, independence brings with it responsibility and duty towards the country on each of us. We need to value and preserve the freedom we got after long struggle and sacrifices of the countrymen who fought for it. We can repay the sacrifices of the freedom fighters by working towards nation building. Our country is rich in its heritage, culture, tradition, and natural resources. India is known for its concept unity in diversity. India's power and strength lies in its citizens and the unity that we uphold in its diversities. India is the largest democratic country in the world. We can put the large young population to the advantage of the country through proper education and training. The present education system in our country needs to be aligned according to the needs of the industry. Recently, the government has come out with a new education policy which is set to change the face of education in the country. It is an important step by the government to transform the country into a knowledge hub. Now concept understanding will replace rote learning, which will help you in coming up with new innovative ideas for use in professional field. New education policy seek to promote inner talent in every student by discovering, nurturing, fostering and developing it. Reformed board examination based on conceptual understanding and experiential learning is also very important reform. In short, the new education policy aims at developing the creative potential of every child holistically and will usher in a change in the education system of the country. The new policy will shape the future generation as responsible citizen of the country with a positive outlook towards life. This will ultimately contribute towards nation building and help us in fighting poverty and bring uniform development of the country. Now, we will have an educated population armed with innovation thinking, aware of the skills needed in the local market, research oriented with an ability to give potential output. Today, we should take pledge to become a responsible and well-educated citizen of our country. We shall be failing our responsibility as citizen of an independent nation if we do not dedicate ourselves to the services to this nation. Let us all strive to make our India Atmanirbhar. Jai Hind.